Okay, in this video, we're going to look at the new COPILOT function and some simple but useful use cases. So first thing I want to do is I want to create a table showing the average for each salesperson. So I've written my prompt within the spreadsheet itself. I'm going to use COPILOT. First argument is prompt part 1. So I'll just select my prompt, comma. And then the context is this table over here. So I'm going to click in the corner of it. I've called it sales data. Close the bracket, press enter. And there we have it, the average sales. Now I could check whether those answers are correct. And you can see down here that we have a mistake. So that's the first thing to be aware of, is the COPILOT function is not reliable. Now, if I go up here and change this prompt, will this update? So let's say we want the average, the median, and the top sales value. There we are. We have an output that we've asked for. If I look at the top sales values, they do look as though they are correct. Just looking down this table. But again, it's always worth checking these answers to see if they are correct, because they're not all the time. Now, what if I change this to female salespersons? That does, in fact, work. So it is quite intelligent, but not always reliable. Let's try another scenario. So we've got these transactions here, and we want to be able to filter them. Now, we can do this on another sheet. So we'll use COPILOT again. So my prompt is up here. Filter the data to show sales of cutlery in the northern region, comma, and I've called that table on the other sheet transactions. So if I close the bracket and press enter, it is in fact doing exactly what I've asked it to do. And if I go back to the transactions sheet, 3 records there. Let's do a filter here. So that would be cutlery, northern region. And we get our 3 records here. Now I'll just clear this. Let's say we want cutlery and bakeware from the northern region. I'm going to change this prompt. And we do seem to have those additional records. Now, let's try and be a little bit cleverer here. Let's ask for J. Oliver branded products. And it has worked. So impressive in some ways, but obviously unreliable in others.